Hello po, good morning. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do an unboxing of this product that I ordered sa Lazada po. This one, I received this one on Monday, National Heroes Day, and I did open the box, so that's why, sorry, the package. That's why yung makikita nyo lang po is yung box na lang po. Not open yet the box itself, but when I receive it from the courier, wala na pong seal. So it's okay kasi naka-seal naman po yung package galing Lazada. So this is a bike computer made by Cycplus M1, Cycplus, which is the model is M1. So let's try to open the box. Let's see what's inside. And so as you can see, dito po yung bike computer. Medyo mabigat siya, pero hindi naman talagang just right lang po na 2.9, tapos yung weight niya. Ito po yung ano niya para sa mount ng yung bike. Tapos ito po yung charging port niya. May rubber po. The box also includes the bike mount with the rubber para sigurading safety, and charging cord, which is medyo maikli pero okay lang po. Tapos yung mga rubber band para sa bike mount. Dalawa lang yung gagamitin nyo to dito, so yung isa extra lang. Okay. Tapos, meron po yung manual. Medyo okay. Medyo makapal kasi may iba-ibang language. Okay. So, this bike computer is made from China. It is a may memory capacity siya na 150 hours. Tapos yung endurance time niya bago siya malobat is 30 hours, which is good. Weight nga niya po is 77 grams. So medyo mabigat pero okay lang. Okay. So again, ito po yung Cycplus M1. So sa susunod na video po natin is gagamitin natin to. Tapos i-review natin. As of now, I'm really satisfied with my purchase kasi nandito lahat yung nakapromise sa pagbili mo. Tapos nandito pa yung bike mount. So ito lang po sa ngayon. Unboxing lang muna tayo. I'll use this one tomorrow, the next day. Magbabay kami dun sa may dito sa Cebu. Tapos I'll give you a review for your reference kung gusto nyong bumili ng bike computer. Thank you and have a nice day.